ल्हान प्लांटामदी चिखले पंचायत घालतली कॅटलिटिक कन्वर्टर जो वल्या कोयराचे रूपांतर उर्जेन करतलो। ह्या संदर्भातली टेंडर प्रक्रिया 27 जानेराक जातली। ह्या खातीर CSR कार्यामार्फत आमकां विमानतळ प्राधिकरणाकडल्यान 15 कोटीचो फंड मेळ्ळा। ते उपरांत साहित्य पुनर्प्राप्ती सुविधा आशिल्ली पुराय गोंयांत चिखले पंचायत ही एकमेव पंचायत आसतली म्हण पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन म्हायती दिल्या। RDXGOA खातीर चिखलेच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
It's not only Goa's plant. I said among the small plants, we are going to have a catalytic converter which is going to convert wet garbage into power. The thing is being tendered on the 27th of this month. The tender will be issued, e-tender will be issued, and for this we have got funds of 15 crores from Airport Authority of India under CSR. So we are putting it on the fast track. So Chicalim will be the first place among the panchayats in Goa which will have its own MRF, that is material recovery facility, which will have its own catalytic converter which will handle the wet garbage, and as well as it will keep the area totally clean by collecting garbage after segregation from every house.